This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Teri Cunningham. Beautiful and tastefully decorated 4-bedroom 3-bath home with 1 bedroom and full bath on the first floor. Home has a brand new kitchen and bath, huge rooms with tons of closest space. Gorgeous original woodwork, hardwood floors and French doors. Huge above ground pool and 1-car garage. Newer gas furnace and air conditioner and 200 amp electric. Located in Elm Grove with easy access to I-70, shopping, restaurants, churches, and schools. For more information, review the details below.